Assalamualaikum students. So we are doing exercise 22.1, that is how to solve simultaneous linear equations in two variable. So there we have discussed substitution method. In substitution method we are just substituting one value, and we are taking out the value of from one equation, and then that value we are putting in another equation. That is your substitution method. Now what is elimination method? Elimination means eliminate. We will eliminate. Okay. Elimination means what? From the word only we will understand eliminate. When you want to eliminate any student, so you are saying just eliminate this student. He will not or she will not take participate in this or in the given project or assignment, whatever. So you are just eliminating. So here also we will eliminate. What we will eliminate? We will eliminate variable. We will eliminate what? Variable. So let's see how we will eliminate variable. So for eliminating variable, you know that and 2 minus 2 gives you what? 0. Why? Because this is plus 2 and this is minus 2, plus minus you will do subtraction, so 2 minus 2 will give you only 0. So this concept we will apply here. Now just look here, this is your two equations. Okay, yeah, okay, fine. So I want to eliminate this y, or you can say suppose I want to eliminate this x. Okay, I want to eliminate what? This x. So what I will do, I will multiply 3x minus y is equals to 5. I will multiply this by 5, and this 5x minus 2y is equals to 4. I will multiply by this 3. Why I am doing? Because I want to make my first term same. Means 5 is to 3, 15. 3 5 is to 3, 15. So that's why I choose numbers such that, because you want to make same. Here this is 3 and this is 5. So how it means, if you multiply 3 is to 5, 15, 5 is to 3, 15, then only you will get the same term. So that's why we multiplying this by the whole equation. So after multiplying, what I will get? 5 is 15x minus 5y is equals to 25. We multiply 5 with the both all the terms. Similarly here, 3 5 is 15x minus 6y is equals to 12. Now we will do elimination method. Elimination method means you will do actually subtraction. In subtraction, what you are doing? You are changing the sign of this second row. So it is plus 15x, it will become minus. It is minus 6y, it will become plus. It is plus 12, it become minus. Now minus 15 plus 15 will give you what? Minus 15 plus 15 will give you what? 0. See, you eliminate variable x. Now variable x will not take participate in this solving equation. Plus 6 minus 5. Plus 6 minus 5 will give you what? Only 1. That is y. 25 minus 12. 25 minus 12 give you what? 13. So y is equals to 13. See how easily you got this y. I think elimination method is more easy than substitution method. Now y is equals to 13. So just put the value of y in any of the equation to find out the x. So I'm just putting in this first equation. So 3x minus y is equals to y, and 3x minus y is what? 13 is equals to 5. This 13 will transpose here. Then 3x is equals to 5 plus 13, and it give you 5 6 7 8 18. 3x, they are in multiplication. Here we are applying transposing method. 3 to 6 18, x is equals to 6 and y is equals to 13. Like this you will solve any equation by using elimination method. So I will solve one more equation from your exercise so that it will come more clear to you. So I'm solving here question number 7, and I will take this 5x plus 3y is equals to 9. This is question number 9 actually, from this exercise 22.1. And now next is what? X plus 2y plus 1 is equals to 0. So this is your equation. So you can see here this constant is here. Means in the above equation constant is here. No problem. You can change this place so that it will look same now. Minus 1. It is plus 1. So it is minus 1. So this is your first equation. And this is your second equation. So I'm just writing. So how you will eliminate this x? You can eliminate easily x, y, because you will multiply this 5, so you will get the same term 5x. So like this you should, means you will understand by yourself what by what number you will multiply, and what you can make y also same. If you want to make y same, so what you will do? You will multiply this equation by 2 and by this equation by 3y, so that you will get 6y 6y. Okay, so it depends on you how you will eliminate it. So I'm eliminating this x, because this is, I don't means just I have to multiply only one time with this equation by 5. So I'm multiplying second equation by 5. Okay, so when I will multiply second equation by 5, so first equation will I will keep remaining like this, because I want 5x and I can easily get 5x by multiplying the second equation by 5. Second equation is this, so I'm multiplying by 5. You can show like this also. Okay, when you will multiply by 5, so what you will get, 5x plus 10y minus 5. Okay, because minus sign is there, and this equation will remain like this. Okay, now what you will do, you will change the second row sign. Okay, you will change the second sign. So this will minus, it is plus, it is minus, it is minus, so it will become plus. Okay, opposite we are doing. 5 minus 5 give you what? 0. Cancel, eliminate, we eliminate x. Now minus 10 plus 3. Okay, you will consider new sign. Minus 10 plus 3 will give you what? Minus 7y. And 9 plus 5 give you what? 10, 14. 9 plus 5 give you what? 14. So y is equals to what? 14 upon minus 7. Minus 7 you will take it down. So that is 2. Y is equals to minus 2. Now, y is equals to minus 2. Easily just put the value of y in this equation, or in this equation you will get the x. This is how you will do elimination method.